Okay, so I was saying another video. I don't know if I'll get it, but I took off my safety switch from the clutch perch because I wanted to see what would happen, and I'm fixing to get some either probably ASV clutch and perch, and you can't have the parking brake lever, you can't have the safety switch. So I just wanted to, so now it thinks the switch is out, so it thinks the clutch is like it is now. No, it thinks the clutch is open. So that switch. Anyway, a little video. I was wondering, so I figured maybe somebody else is wondering. I heard there was a difference in performance. I heard that sometimes it makes it run crappier. I heard maybe the top end, fifth gear, it loses its restriction. I can't think how to say it right now. Rev limiter. Sorry. Anyway, let's see what happens. So far, it seems fine. The Florida Sugar Sand Trail. That one wire right here goes right in here. All you gotta do is pull it out. This is a 2007 Raptor, and it doesn't affect anything on mine. The performance, no, I don't know, there's a couple things that they've said that it affects, but it doesn't. So just
At least the 2007 it doesn't. I assume the other one models too. Like I say, just put a screwdriver right in there. While you're pushing with the screwdriver, pull and twist real hard, because it's really hard to get this out, and it'll come out. So this is the original clutch and perch, and here's my parking brake setup, just like everybody has. I'm gonna keep the setup. I took it off and shoved it through the plastics and made the parking brake cable come out here, so that I can put it right on. I'm gonna mount it right to there. No, it's all the way through, and move that, you know, cable back and forth, and it'll make a much better. Uh-oh. Pain in the butt. Okay. Last thing I want to show you before the sun takes over here and we can't see anything. Sure, the camera's pointing ahead. Okay, this is the old perch. You just simply go on the other side where the clutch lever, the clutch meets this lever right here. Take a needle nose, bend this up a little bit, and you'll be able to pop that right out of there. So, you know, loosen these right here. So, loosen those, bend this up, clip up just a little bit so you can get this out, and that'll give you enough room to open up the lever and get to this. So you want to make sure these guys are aligned. Close the lever, pull it back, and you can see you can just turn it over, pop it out. Oh shit. Alright, I already cleaned this up, but I'm gonna lubricate it and stuff more. Lubricate this a lot with chain lube down there. Make sure it gets all the way through. And then just go under here, pop it. Oops, pop it in. And as you can see, line these up, the adjusters up, just like on the stock perch. Put the cord, put the cable inside the adjuster, pull it kind of all together, and there you have it. I mean, you just have to tighten it up and everything. And like I said, lube everything really good. I use, well, there's a lot of stuff. I use this water resistant grease, no run lube, but whatever. Just make sure you lubricate it. And that's about it, you know. I told you what to do with the parking thing and the clutch thing that you don't need. That's it. And this fits so much better. Look at that. Oh my god. That's awesome. Okay. Well, I hope this helps you guys. Some of you that didn't know what to do about that switch and want an aftermarket clutch, because the stock Raptor clutch is no bueno for me. My fingers aren't long enough, and it's pretty hard as it is. Tighten
Tighten it on the other side. Over here. Put that back in. You'll come back up here to the perch and adjust the little bit that's left, and you'll be good. Red means record. Alright. Having fun fitting this original cable. Might be stretched, so that's why it's not giving me enough, or it's giving me too much slack, really. So I think maybe that's why they have this extra adapter or extra piece. I'm gonna put it in to see if that solves my problem. It might. Whoops, dummy. Wait a minute. Oh, I can get it like this. It might. It's kind of hard to figure this out. So you want this to be screwed all the way in towards the lever, which makes the cable the loosest it can be. When it's screwed out towards that way, you're tightening the cable. You're tightening the play in the cable. All the way this way is the most play. Kind of confuses me sometimes. So, and then you have to play with this adjuster over here and get these two synced to where your clutch actuates at the right time. And it seems like I'm all the way at the end to make this work, but okay, let's see. This has to be tight against there. So let's see. Well, maybe it did help, because with that piece I just put in, it like took up space, and I think that's what the problem was. So now I'm holding pressure, keeping pressure on this actuator arm while I'm tightening these with my fingers, which I can't do. Where's that little wrench? This is 1/2 inch. This doesn't fit, but it's that's all I got right now. It fits good enough. I'm not going to tighten these too much. Okay, so that's like, yeah, okay. So, going up here, we should be able to unscrew it a little bit and tighten it even more. And lock this down. And yeah, that's it. Perfect. Perfect. So this adapter does help you if you need, if your cable's a little stretched out like mine is. Probably a new cable, you wouldn't have to use that little bugger, but I'm glad they included it. Alright, so yeah, still love this lever. It's freaking awesome. It's adjusted perfectly, and with this adapter they give you, I love it. It's like it's just a real cool